tipper. Nobody gon' get rich quicker. From the land, ain't no city bigger. Foreign cars pulling in a villa. Who smelling good? I'm that nigga. Yeah, living large.
What's up with the Charles Big Bounce coming back with another verses. You know when I do this verses, I don't never do it by myself. You already know who I had to bring back in the building. Oh my goodness. You know what I'm saying? Y'all love the last video. Y'all was sending me DMs like, hey bro, what's your Instagram? I was like, who? You sent me the little screenshot of the video. I'm like, I got you, dog. So a few of y'all just been trying to be incognito on how you been trying to like slide in her DM and shit. So bring her back on the show. Got you. For my homies out there, so Miss Ma'am, for the people who don't know, can you please tell these folks who you is and what you get into?
Hey y'all, it's your girl Pooh Baby. I'm just saying, no, it's Pooh Baby on Instagram.
So what you been getting into though lately? What you doing? What you doing?
Well, you know, I sell hair extensions, so I've been doing that. You know, I'm a model. I got some fashion shows coming up.
Fashion
some stuff
shows
happening, so stay tuned to that.
Okay. And you said the Instagram was Pooh Baby.
Pooh Baby on Instagram.
You want
P-O-O-H.
You want them to follow you?
Yeah.
Follow her, like some pictures and shit.
Yes, all that. Whatever y'all want to do.
All right,
babe.
Hey, and if you got a girl out there and she needs some hair extensions, I got some pictures right there. Check these pictures out. You see that hair? Yeah, them her hairs. Yeah, she did all that. So if you need some extensions, you need your girl to get put together because it's summertime, fun time, hot girl summer. You know what I'm saying? She want to be cute, fly. You want to give your girl a little gift? Go ahead. Slide the Pooh Baby page, and I think her business page is in the bio. Mm-hmm. So just click the bio, check it out, ask her what she needs, and she will fulfill your services. You know what I'm saying? Best hair on the block. Make a bald head bitch look like Beyonce. You know what I'm talking about? All right, y'all. So look, check this out. This is what we're doing today. So you know, my fragrance dropping soon. So I had to put my fragrance up against the heavy hitters. It might not even win, but it don't matter. I gotta put it up against the best because I believe in myself. You know what I'm saying? So look, y'all, I got Creed Aventus. Y'all already know Creed Aventus, King of Colognes, yada yada yada, $300. Y'all know about Creed. Then I had to pair it up with Dior Sauvage, the eau de parfum. She loves some Dior, so I'm like, I don't know if I'm gonna win today. You know what I'm saying? But the fragrance I got right here that's in this vial, small little container. This is Zesty Tango. Okay, so we finna see if Zesty Tango can compare up against Creed and Dior Sauvage because it's in the same family house. Zesty Tango is like a citrus fragrance, fresh, clean, sexy, just like these over here. So we're about to get into it. All right, so all I need you to do is, you know what I'm saying? Which one you want to smell first?
Creed.
All right, y'all. She want to smell some of that Creed. You've been on the show, you know what to do. Let's see. Damn, man. Get right. All right, man. You know, all you gotta do is let me know.
Oh, wait. I don't even need to put that to my nose.
Motherfucker strong. You don't like Creed?
It's cool. It's just basic.
It's just basic as hell. So basically, you think you smell a lot of people with this on?
Yeah.
Right.
Maybe that's exactly what it is.
So yeah, Creed has been cloned a lot. So a lot of like other companies been like coming out with fragrances that smell exactly like Creed. So I could tell like, yeah, in the hood, y'all just need to switch it up a little bit. So you saying I ain't really rocking with it? Damn.
I want to do yours next because I know how I feel about Dior.
She said she want to smell that Zesty Tango. I came up with the name. I'm like, man, what does give me the vibe of? Some zestiness. Sometimes some people dancing. Let me just spread this one on the stick. I gotta fan it up a little bit, man. What that vibe look like?
Oh shit!
She's like, I don't know. You trying to beat Dior? Yeah, hold on.
Like, I'm irritated. Cause it's close. It's fuck to Dior.
It's good.
It smells good though, for sure. I keep sniffing it. I like that.
Let me smell it one time. Gotta remember my creation. Facts. Oh, you know what I want to do? I want you to smell this on your skin. So if you could, like, put your skin, dip it, kind of rub it in a little bit. I mean,
That would have been crazy.
I'd have cried. I'd be like, damn. Skin test. I'm not trying to cheat with Creed. It's just like, you know what I mean? I just know this is pure oil, so Creed already got that alcohol in it.
I'll wear this.
You like that shit?
Mm-hmm.
Hey. So look though. Zesty Tango and Creed.
Zesty Tango.
Zesty Tango. All right, Creed, man. We ain't about to play with you, dog. We about to hit the shelf. You ain't make it past the first round. Ooh, where you at? Back here. All right, y'all. So look though. She ain't lying. That's why I had to bring Pooh Baby on the show, because she always tell the truth. You seen her face in the last video. She was like, the fuck? You know what I'm saying? So she not a liar. So I had to bring her on the show so she can give a real juicy take on the fragrance. She says she like it. Oh, matter of fact, let me ask you another question. What's the type of vibe it give you?
Exactly what you said. Like the zesty, like summery, like I don't know. I won't say like party.
Mm-hmm.
But it kind of do, like, I'll wear that to, like, a party or something. Like, I don't know. It just give me a vibe.
Like you will go out?
A lit vibe, yeah.
A lit vibe, okay.
A lit vibe.
All right, y'all. She said it's giving her a lit vibe. And right now, Zesty Tango is in the lead. Dior Sauvage, you know what I'm saying? Is it going to beat Dior Sauvage? I don't know. We're going to see. You gotta just close your eyes and envision. Like, yo, man.
My man?
Yo, man.
We can't do that.
I got to. Your man come, he got one on. He come the next day, he got the other one on. You like, babe, put what on?
Damn, this is hard now.
Yeah.
Can I smell the other one again?
I think members on your hand, I think. You know? Yeah.
Okay, if we talk about my man, I'm definitely picking
Dior
for my man, like, for sure.
Okay.
So, this is a hard pick because they both smell really, really good. But this one is stronger.
You just like that Dior, that come here. I can't even get mad. You know what I'm saying? I had to make it go up against Dior. I'm saying, like, how y'all gonna say Kobe better than Jordan if you don't go up against Jordan?
That's true.
I'm saying it's okay if it be second place. So you saying Zesty Tango still smell good?
Yes.
But Dior is just ain't nobody kicking Dior ass.
Not right now.
Hey, Dior, call me. I need y'all perfumers, man. I'm trying to figure it out, bro. Get some money on there. So Dior Sauvage won. All right, y'all. So look, Dior Sauvage is better than Creed, Aventus, and Christopher Lee's Zesty Tango. But she did say Zesty Tango still smell good, so make sure y'all go tap in. But if y'all like just want to, you know what I'm saying, which one Pooh Baby like the most, she like that Dior. So if you want a girl like this,
I'm in love with Dior.
She in love with Dior, man. It's nothing I could do. It's her. This was her favorite before the show started. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So we tried our best. But y'all, I'm letting y'all know Zesty Tango is dropping soon. It's gonna be great. I'll make sure I post more reviews of it. I'm gonna send it to some YouTubers so they can review it, give y'all their honest opinion. It's gonna be affordable. It smells very good. I took it up to Dillard's maybe like a few weeks ago. The clerk at Dillard's said he loved it. He was like, "Oh my God, I think y'all seen that vlog." So you know what I'm saying? Zesty Tango gonna be a real good fragrance, and I also got 2 more. I got 5 more. The Boston Stud, the Jot, and then I got the Red Fall, the Honey Water, and then this is the Zesty Tango. So y'all, stay tuned. All right, can you tell me on Instagram one more time? Pooh Baby on Instagram. On Instagram, and like I said, y'all want some of that Pooh Baby juice? Get some of this so this Dior Sauvage in your life. You know what I'm saying? I love y'all so much. Thank y'all for clicking this video, and I'm out.